Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart for crude oil, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market open here 2670. So we expected crude oil to stay in buying, having 2660, 2620 as a major support zone. And also we had clearly mentioned the importance of this resistance 2700, 720. Right after the price opening, the price had some momentum for buying, but again it found resistance around 2700. Whenever we say a support or resistance, it is not a single line, it is particularly a zone. So the price came down till 2660, tried to take some support, resulted in a failure. So the price came down to the next support of 2620, finally closed around 2633. So this was the entire price action what we witnessed in the yesterday's market. So till the first part there was some hope for buying, but after then you could see the initial part there was some buying, then the high constantly we could see the high was decreasing, but still it takes some support around 2620, and the price closing above 2620 is also a little bit supportive for buying, but we cannot say 100%. So what we can do today you can expect crude oil to open in the same zone where it closed on the previous day. There may not be a major variation in the price opening in crude oil. So now we are in a bit of a tough position regarding crude oil trading. There are two options where you can go for buying and selling. Now let us see what are the options we have. You can go for buying in crude oil till 2600 by maintaining a stop loss around 2590. So that was exactly near the 24th of March low. So this is the stop loss you can go for buying. On looking at the stop loss, we can say it is quite marginal stop loss, we can fix it up. And you cannot go for a selling. If you want to go for a selling, there are two ways. One is, if you want to go for selling, you need to place a stop loss just above 2720. You cannot place any stop loss within this particular zone because there are chances that your stop loss may get triggered. So if we consider the stop loss, if we go for a selling, the stop loss are quite very high, and if we go for buying, the stop loss is not very big. But if you think that you don't want to miss the opportunity on selling, because the last 2 days we had a lower closing, and since the price closed below 2660, that indicates there is a good momentum on the selling side. But still, based on the long term trend, we are going to first initiate or stay in the buying side itself. So if you want to sell, to be on the safer side, on the breakdown below 2590, you can go for selling. So what we advise was, initially you can go for a buying till 2600, place your stop loss around 2590. If you see a strong price action below 2590, you can go for a selling. But once you went for selling, once you go for selling or reversing from buying to selling, you need to fix your mind that you cannot place any stop loss within this particular zone. Your stop loss can only be near or above 2720. So there are no way you can place stop loss within this zone, because there are chances your stop loss will get triggered, and if your stop loss got triggered within this particular zone, you will be left with no other option. So you will be confused whether you should go for buy or sell. So our advice for today is, initially go for buying till 2600, reverse your position below 2590. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.